Method of Ghusl Hanafi.
Excellence of Jurid Shah F.
The Prophet of mankind, the peace of our heart and mind, the most generous and kind,
صلى الله تعالى عليه وآله وسلم.
said, recite Durud Sharif abundantly upon me. No doubt, it is purification for you.
Make the following intention in heart with tutoring any word with tongue. I am going to take bath for acquiring purity. First, wash both hands up to wrist 3 times. Wash excretory organs whether impurity is present over there or not. Now, if there is impurity on any part of body, remove it.
3 faras of ghusl. 1. Rinsing the mouth. 2. Sniffing water inside the nose. 3. Ablution of the whole apparent body. Rinsing the mouth. Taking a little water into mouth and then spitting it out quickly is not sufficient. It is essential to pass water in mouth over every part, every cavity from lips to the end of throat. Water must reach the cavities behind the back teeth, gaps and roots of teeth, all sides of the tongue, and the brim of throat. If you do not have fast, you should gargle as well. It is sunnat to do so. If bits of betel nuts or fibers of meat are stuck in the teeth, they must be removed. If there is a fear of harm in case of removing them, removal is exempted. Prior to performing ghusl, the fibers of meat etc. were stuck in the teeth, but the one bathing did not feel them and, therefore, offered having performed ghusl without removing them. Later, he came to know that fibers of meat etc. were stuck in the teeth. It is now far for him to remove them and pass water over there. Sniffing water into the nose. Quickly splashing a bit of water onto the tip of one's nose is not sufficient. It is essential to wash nose up to the end of soft bone, that is up to the start of hard bone. This can only be done by sniffing water upwards, but remember, if even a part equal to a hair tip is left unwashed, ghusl will be invalid. If dried mucus has accumulated inside the nose, well, it is far to remove it. It is far to wash the nasal hairs. Ablution of the whole apparent body. It is obligatory to pass water on each and every part and down soft fine hair of apparent body from hairs of the head up to soles of the feet. There are some such body organs which may remain unwashed if special care is not taken, and ghusl will not be valid on this account either.
Part 2 will be continued. Please subscribe for more.